like the wingtip launch, and this works good for some wings, but grab it right off to the side. So basically your hand is already clear of the prop. So I'm going to use my left hand to throw the wing, just like this, and I'm going to keep my right hand on the sticks so that I can make any kind of correction. So I got my wing right off to the side of the nose. I got my radio in my right hand, quick visual surface check, and then we use our mouth or our chin. Okay. And you just want to go 3/4 to full throttle depending on the plane, some even less than that. And all you want to do is just give it a nice little arc. Jeez. What?
I stopped it.
I can just
Go
edit.
ahead. Okay.
You might want to come over here because I'm throwing it right at you.
Sheesh. What was that? Oh,
That was